Hi, this is Mike Cawley. I praise God for how He's blessed the Florida Conference through this hurricane, but it's been a challenging experience. I just received a phone call from Phil Yance that many of our buildings at Camp Kulaqua are going to flood because of the historical height of the flood with the Santa Fe River. And I'd like you to pray today. This is Wednesday around noon, that God will intervene and hold His hand over the property, Stillwater's Lodge, the A-Frame Cottage, the camp office. Part of the zoo is being evacuated. God is a prayer-hearing God. Thank you. Bye-bye.